Hello student, we'll start the topic recombinant DNA technology. Recombinant DNA technology is a technology in which there is a combination of two DNA species of two different organisms. That means a DNA of vector and DNA of host is combined together to form the new DNA. That one is recombinant DNA technology. For recombinant DNA technology, we require three major tools. First one is the vector. Second one, the enzyme. And third one is endonuclease enzyme. Vector is nothing but the DNA of any bacteria or virus. Mostly we will take the plasmid, that is the DNA of the bacteria. That is known as plasmid. So when we take the DNA of plasmid, first we have to cut the section which we have the interest. So for cutting that thing, we require the enzyme endonuclease enzyme, that is also known as restriction enzyme. So the proper area has been cut down. Now we have to add this into the host cell DNA. So for that we require ligase 1. And the newly formed DNA will be this recombinant DNA. So, what are the application of this recombinant DNA? First one, for the production of vaccines, for the production of insulin, and for the cure and treatment of different diseases like sickle cell anemia. And cystic fibrosis. So, this new technology is a sophisticated technology which has increased the scope of pharmaceutical science in a different level. How? Because there is a deficiency of new drugs. So, for the production of new drugs, nowadays gene therapy has been introduced, and gene therapy requires the production of new genes by this therapy. So, with this therapy, we can help our society in a different way, and this will increase the production of new human insulin and for the treatment of different diseases. So next we'll start. For this enzymes which we are using, we can immobilize it. Why? For the immobilization of the enzyme, we can increase the stability and the activity of the enzyme. It increases its activity and the stability of the enzyme. So like this, we have concluded that recombinant DNA technology and enzyme immobilization in combination with each other has the production of new things. Thank you.